In this video, I am going to show you how you can reply to an email. As you can see, this is my Outlook page, so let us go to the inbox. When I open the inbox, I can see two messages. If I want to reply to the first message, click on it. The message then appears on the right side of the screen. Here, you can see the email displayed in a new window, and at the top of the message you will notice several available actions. One of these is the reply option, which allows you to send a response directly to the sender. To reply, simply select the reply button. If you want to respond to everyone included in the original message, you can use the three dots, known as the ellipsis button, which opens the More Actions menu. When you click this menu, you will see the option for Reply All, which sends your response to all recipients of the original email. So you can choose either Reply or Reply All. If I select Reply All, the message panel opens so I can compose my response. If you want to work in a larger space, there is an option to open the message in a new window. Selecting this option opens your message box in a separate window, giving you more room to review and edit your email. At the top of the message, you will see the To field, where all recipient email addresses appear. Below that is the Subject field, which contains the reply subject. You can modify the subject here if needed. Next, you can type your message in the main text area, also known as the message body. This is where you will write the content of your reply. At the top of the editor, you will find a set of formatting tools. You have basic text formatting options such as bold, italics, and underline. You can also change the font color of your message from this toolbar. You can choose from a variety of font styles and sizes, along with options for creating bulleted and numbered lists. All of these tools are included in the basic text formatting menu. You can also select from different text styles, and there are several presets you can apply to enhance the appearance of your message. If you need to attach a file to your email, you can use the Attach Files option. This allows you to upload a file from your personal computer, select one from OneDrive, upload and share, or attach a link instead. If you want to include a signature, you can add it using the Signature option. There are also options for inserting pictures, emojis, and tables to make your message more engaging. If you prefer to dictate your message or include a voice recording, you can use the dictation or voice message features. These tools allow you to speak your message and attach the audio directly to your email. In addition to these features, several other options are available, so you can choose whichever tools you need to complete your message. When you are ready to send your email, look at the top of the message window where you will find the Send button. There are three sending options: Send, Schedule Send, and Start Email Merge. The Schedule Send option allows you to choose a specific time for your message to be delivered. If you do not want to send the message right away, you can prepare your reply and select a custom date and time. After choosing the time, click Send, and your message will be delivered automatically at the scheduled time. These are the options available to you when sending an email in Outlook.